Wasim Shamara. Now I'm going to explain about basic Unix and Linux commands. Generally, to create a file in Unix, there are three methods. They are Visual Editor, cat, and touch empty file. Now let's go into experiment 1. In experiment 1, the first question is list the contents of user home directory including the hidden files. Generally, for the files command, we will use ls command. Mkdir means to make the directory. Mkdir dot hide ls space bar a is for hidden, including the all hidden files. The files will be executed and the output would be presented. The next question is list the contents of var directory. Var includes variable directory. For this, the command is ls. Ls means we know that in the previous one, to list the commands we will use ls space bar var. Create two directories named dir1 and dir2. To make directories we will use mkdir. So mkdir1 and mkdir2. To display those mkdir1 and dir2 we will use ls command. Create a hidden directory with your name. I have created hidden directory with my registration number, which is urk18 and cs218. First, I have created a directory mkdir dir1. After that, I have created mkdir urk18 cs218 and I have given the command ls to list the directories. Change into directory dir, which means I'm first I'll take mkdir dir2. Then I'll move dir2 to dir1. Now the contents in the dir2 will be moved to dir1. There will be no dir2. Then I list by using ls and the output would be presented. The sixth question is copy the file etc. Password file to the current directory with sample text as the file name, which means I am taking cd sample. Cd means for the directory we will use the cd command. Then touch is a Unix to create the file. Then I am printing ls to display. Change to your home directory. Use pwd command to check you are in home directory. I am using the first ls command, which is to list the directories. The next Unix they ask for pwd command to check our home directory. Then we use the next command pwd. The next question is create a file text1.txt using vim editor, which is the file content of Unix vim editor. The following registration numbers with some of the commands. The first question is display the students name who are having research in interests and grid computing. I'm using the cat, which is the cat empty. Touch is the empty, sorry. The cat content for the Unix one file for name creation. Then we'll give the names, registration numbers. Then we want the symbol which we use. The dollar symbol is used to fetch the variables or to fetch the content on the output screen. Then I am using the grid computing $grid computing test1.txt. Then the grid computing students with their name and registration number will be available. Then I am using the next one is students name and registration number. We can print all the names and registration numbers. List the count of students who have interested as image processing and store the result in another file. Then I am taking cat count.txt, the image computing students, and I am taking the contents and storing in the another file. The last one in 8th question is display the first two rows and last two and store into another file. To for the first two rows and last two rows, we'll use the head and tails. Head for the first rows and tails for the last rows. Head /2 means the first 2 rows, tail /2 means the last 2 rows. The ninth one, display the contents of the file text1.txt without any blank lines. The first blank lines, then first we'll take the contents what we have to write, and then we'll display with the using cd to check whether that there are blank places or not. The 10th one, move the file sample.txt from dir1 directory to dir2 directory. We are moving the content from dir1 directory to dir2 directory. First we will check the there are directories dir1 dir2. The ls command is used, and then we'll move the contents by using mv command, then cd dir2, then ls, then we can show that they are moved from directory 1 to directory 2. Change directory into dir directory, then we'll use move directory 1 directory 2, then ls command to print the directories. Check whether the file sample.txt is present. To check any file is present in it or not, we'll use the ls command. Rename the file sample.txt to new.txt and check whether sample.txt is there or not. First we should know that the sample.txt is present or not, so we'll use the ls command, and that move sample.txt to new.txt, then ls command, new.txt will be presented, the sample will be removed. Display the calendar of December 2020. Basically we'll use cal, which means we'll print the calendar for specific year, then we'll use cal to the date and 2020. Remove the directory dir1. For removing the directory, we'll use rmdir. First we'll print ls there is the directory dir1 is present or not, then we'll remove by using rmdir dir1, then the directory 1 will be removed. Display last 3 lines of the file. To display last 3 lines, I have already said that for the first line's head and the last line tails, we'll use the tail command. Display all the commands you have executed so far, and to display all the commands we'll use the ls command. To display all the files. How many files are present under your home directory? To check the home directory files, we'll use the ls command. The 19th question. Perform sorting of 3 files and sort the sorted file in the 4th file. First we'll sort the 3 files, and the sorted file will be in the 4th file, which is output file. Will be present in cat, which is Unix file name. Change the permission of your newly created file such that the group users and the other don't access any type of the content. We'll use the chmod command, which means that any other newly created file permission cannot be accessed. This is all the basic commands, and this is the first experiment which we have learned about basic Unix and Linux commands. We have verified it. Thank you.